How to see transaction history on the Chase app. If you want to see your transaction history on the Chase app, it is very simple for us to do so. So what we have to do is, first of all, just make sure to launch the Chase application and just make sure to accept the terms and conditions and tap the sign in button and sign into your account, right? So go ahead and then basically sign in to your fingerprint authentication, enter your username and your password and your login. Then just navigate to your account and view the transaction details. You can also use the spending and budgeting tool to analyze your spending habits, and once done, you'll be able to find your transaction history on the Chase app. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.